Videos are for educational purposes only.
Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine.
Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing with dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way.
Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. Smoke break in about 3 years since I dated you.
This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
Make me late to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love.
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel video and leave a comment about nails. Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Now, we are going to be using nail stickers for a simple nail art design.
Join the party.